Welcome to this guide on testing smart contracts. In blockchain development, testing is absolutely critical because once a smart contract is deployed, it cannot be changed. Today, we'll explore two of the most popular testing frameworks, Hardhat and Truffle. These powerful tools help developers write, test, and deploy smart contracts with confidence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how each framework works and when to use them for your blockchain projects. Before diving into the frameworks, let's understand why testing smart contracts is so essential. First, smart contracts are immutable. Once deployed to the blockchain, they cannot be modified or updated easily. Second, there's significant financial risk involved. Bugs in smart contracts can lead to the permanent loss of funds, sometimes worth millions of dollars. Third, smart contracts are security critical. Their code is publicly visible, making vulnerabilities easy targets for attackers. Finally, testing provides quality assurance, ensuring that your contract logic works exactly as intended before going live. Let's start with Hardhat, a modern Ethereum development environment that has gained massive popularity among developers. Hardhat offers several standout features. You can use console.log debugging directly in your Solidity code, which makes troubleshooting much easier. It provides a fast local network with detailed, human-readable error messages that help you identify problems quickly. Hardhat also supports TypeScript out of the box, allowing you to write type-safe tests. Plus, it has a flexible plugin architecture that lets you extend its functionality based on your project needs. Here's a practical example of a Hardhat test. We start by importing the expect function from Chai, which is a popular assertion library. Then we create a describe block to group our tests for the token contract. Inside, we define an init block that describes what we're testing, token transfers. The test first deploys the contract using ethers.getContractFactory, then calls the transfer function to send 50 tokens to address 1. Finally, we use expect to verify that the balance of address 1 equals 50 tokens. This pattern of arrange, act, and assert makes tests clear and maintainable. Now let's look at Truffle, which is a complete development suite that has been around longer and offers a comprehensive set of tools. Truffle includes built-in smart contract compilation, so you don't need separate tools to compile your Solidity code. It provides automated contract testing with a robust testing framework. Truffle also features network management for deployments, making it easy to deploy to different blockchain networks. Additionally, it offers an interactive console where you can directly interact with your deployed contracts, which is extremely helpful during development and debugging. Here's how testing works in Truffle. We begin by requiring the token contract using artifacts.require, which is Truffle's way of loading contract artifacts. Then we use the contract function instead of describe, which is specific to Truffle and provides additional features like automatic account management. Inside our test, we deploy the contract using token.deployed, then transfer 50 tokens to accounts bracket 1. We check the balance by calling balance of, and finally use assert.equal to verify the balance is correct. Notice how Truffle provides the accounts array automatically, making it easy to test with multiple addresses. Let's compare these two frameworks to help you choose the right one. Hardhat offers a modern developer experience with cutting-edge features. It has native TypeScript support, meaning you can write strongly typed tests without additional configuration. The console.log debugging feature is a game changer for development. Hardhat also typically offers faster compilation times. On the other hand, Truffle has a mature ecosystem with years of community support and extensive documentation. It provides a complete development suite with everything integrated. Truffle's built-in migration system makes deployments straightforward, and its extensive documentation helps beginners get started quickly. Let's wrap up with some essential testing best practices that apply to both frameworks. Always test edge cases, including boundary conditions and error scenarios. Don't just test the happy path. Use test coverage tools to measure how much of your code is being tested. Aim for high coverage, ideally above 80%. Mock external calls to isolate your contract logic from dependencies, making tests more reliable and faster. Finally, use clear, descriptive test names that explain what each test validates. Good test names serve as documentation and make it easier to understand test failures. Remember, thorough testing is your first line of defense against costly bugs in production.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.